This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by the Boeing Company.
So you can do things in plastic, you can do things in metal, you can do prototypes, you can do tests, and then you can do production. And here at BAM, we do all of them, and then we also do tooling. So this is that huge waste that you would get from the subtractive process that you cannot use. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what you lose. This is called we call it the BAM print room. So this is where the metals 3D printing would take place.
So we're printing in both aluminum and titanium in this room. This machine right here is slated for aluminum, as you can see, and this is one of our newer ones. It has 4 lasers that can melt the parts all at once, so it's a lot faster than the older single laser machines.
So you're going to see a large screen kind of glide across, and when after it glides across, you'll see a very nice gray dusting of powder that's going to be laid down. Then you're going to see a laser, single laser, this is a single, that's going to be etching the shapes that we're looking for that layer.
This is our quality area, so after a part is built, it can come over here and we can inspect it on the CMM. This basically probes the part and inspects for, how close did it meet the engineering requirements. Okay, so this is the Thermwood LSAM. LSAM stands for Large Scale Additive Manufacturing, and you can see how massive this is compared to the metal 3D printers. This builds in another plastic, a polymer material that starts out as pellets. It gets fed up in those big hoppers to this feed, which then gets melted. But if you look at some of these parts, you can see what each of the layers looks like. It melts this plastic and basically squirts it out like a big tube of toothpaste, and then a roller follows behind and rolls it to this layer thickness. I wanted to point out this part on the top of the display case. So this heat exchanger is cut in half. If you put it back together, that's how it was 3D printed. And this was designed, analyzed, and all the processes that went behind it, such as the coatings, were tested by our team. So this was a really fun project. This is some fun 3D printed hardware for the Chinook helicopter. This sits on the nose of the helicopter, and this is the on-off switch of a massive satellite that's about the size of a school bus. So really important little part. Thank you guys for coming.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight has been presented by the Boeing Company.